and the rough. Early lead is taken by Run the Dance from the outside, Larmanac by the rail, and Best of Biscuit, Hoy Tama Na, and My Promise. And at the mid-back stretch, Run the Dance, Larmanac, and Hoy Tama Na, Best of Biscuit, My Promise, and Idas Julian. Nearing the pattern, still Run the Dance in the lead, followed by Larmanac in second, Hoy Tama Na, Best of Biscuit, and My Promise moving up on the inside, Idas Julian and Rayo. Rounding the pattern, it is still Run the Dance leading the field by 4.5 lengths, followed by Larmanac in second, and My Promise now moving up on the outside, Idas Julian and Best of Biscuit. And in the home stretch, it is still Run the Dance in the lead, followed now by My Promise in second, and Idas Julian moving up on the outside, Larmanac, Best of Biscuit, and Rayo on the farther outside. But it's still Run the Dance in the lead, followed by My Promise by the rail, Idas Julian, Best of Biscuit, Rayo moving up on the farther outside in Open Mind. And finally at the payoff line, it is still Run the Dance, and finally Run the Dance. Number 3, My Promise, Idas Julian, Best of Biscuit, Open Mind, Rayo, Hoy Tama Na, Larmanac.